Greetings, class. I wanted to go ahead and just go over a few quick things. Remember, you can, if you have an existing video in Animoto, you can click here and click Continue Editing. If you're ready to make a new video or haven't started it yet, click Create. Click Animoto Memories Create. Pick your theme. Remember, there are more themes under All, and Premium you would have to upgrade, and we're not doing that. So I liked Bon Voyage. I'm going to create. Now, yesterday I showed you how to add text at the plus button and adding text. Remember to capitalize the title of your book. Okay? Capitalize the title of your author. Capitalize any of your characters' names. They are proper nouns. All right. Now, what I want to show you today is how to add videos. So to add a video, I click here, and I'm going to click, I can use the free stock content, or I can click upload. To upload a video, to upload a picture, I need to have one. So I want to cover the Watson's books. So I'm going to search the Watson's Go to Birmingham book. I'm going to click on images. And I get a lot of images that come up. This one looks like the book cover we had. So I'm going to click on it. I can right click or double tap and click a save image as. I'm going to title it Watson's. Mine is going to be saved in my downloads. You can also save to your desktop, whatever works for you. Just remember, I'm going to click save. Now I'll be able to go back to Animoto. I will click upload. And when I open it, I open to my downloads and it's right there. I click that. I click open and it'll insert the picture in for me. All right. I have some links to some stock photos in your Google Classroom as well, but your book photo, you're going to have to do a Google search, and if you wanted pictures of the actual characters, you'll have to do a Google search as well. Awesome, thanks, bye.